Let's go into the model view and then place the three new measures into a display folder named ratios. So this is our model view, and then we can select all the three measures, that is sales percentage region, sales percentage country, and sales percentage group. So we have selected all of the three, and then in the left hand side display folder you can see, and give it a name as ratios. Perfect. Once it is done, you can see the ratios, and inside this all the measures have been uh, pasted. So save the Power BI desktop file. So to save it, you can directly save it and just write it as analysis underscore done and then save. Now the measure adds to the sales table has modified filter context to achieve hierarchical navigation. Notice that the pattern to achieve the calculation of a subtotal requires removing some columns from the filter context, and to arrive at a grand total, all columns must be removed. Now to create a YTD measure, in this task you will create a sales year to date measure. Okay, this is important. Measures by using time intelligence function in report 2. Okay, we need to go to report view. In report view on page number 2, okay, page number 2, this is the one. Notice the matrix visual that displays various measures with years and months grouped on the rows. Okay, fine. Add a measures to the sales table based on the following expression, and formatted to 0 decimal place. So in the sales, we need to add one more measure, new measure, and then we can copy it from the snippet, that is sales YTD. Okay, then press enter. Fine, we have created this. You can see here sales YTD, and the total YTD function evaluates an expression, in this case the sum of the sales column, over a given data column. The data column must belong to a date table marked as a date table. The function can also take a third optional argument representing the last date of a year. The absence of this date means that December 31 is the last date of the year. For Adventure Works, June is the last month of their year, and so 630 is used. Fine. So you can see the last month has been used here. If it's December, then it will be 31, and like it will be 1231. Add the sales field to the sales YTD. Add the sales field and the sales YTD measure to the matrix visual. Okay, so let's see. This is the sales field. Okay, fine. And then sales YTD as well. Sales and sales YTD we have added. Notice the accumulation of sales value within the year. So this is the sales, that is 16,489,1540, and then it has also 16,429, 489, 2029, all has been populated. Fine. The total YTD function performs filter manipulation, specifically time filter manipulation. For example, to compute YTD sales for September 2017, the third month of the fiscal year, all filters on the date table are removed and replaced with a new filter of dates commencing at the beginning of the year, July 1, 2017, and extending through a last date of the in context date period September 30, 2017.